Hey everyone, what's up? It's Kahoob here. In today's video, I want to mention I will be making a completely brand new Bitcoin for Beginners series in the next month or so. And I know I tried doing it before, but it was a complete fail, and I am pretty disappointed with how it turned out. And I've learned a lot since I've made it, so I basically wiped it clean, and I'm going to be making a way better one that's actually way more informational and actually good information for beginners in Bitcoin. And I'm going to be doing specifically Bitcoin. So if you want to become a Bitcoin maximalist, or if you are interested in getting involved with Bitcoin because you've never invested into Bitcoin or anything at all, then I'm going to be talking about why you should be a Bitcoin maximalist and basically all the details on how you can achieve that. And some things I'm going to be going over is how to run a Bitcoin node and basically why you should run your own node. And then I'm going to be showing how to download open source software wallets for Bitcoin that will allow you to connect to your own node when broadcasting transactions, so when doing your own transactions. And then I'll be going over lots of different hardware wallets, and I'll be letting you know, which ones are good and basically why I find them to be good hardware wallets, and also which ones are bad hardware wallets and which ones you should avoid and reasons why. And I'm going to be doing it from the view of a Bitcoin maximalist. Another thing, obviously, is how to buy Bitcoin, right? Because when you want to get involved, the first thing you want to do is usually buy Bitcoin. But that's not always the best route. Sometimes you want to learn about it first, and not only that, but sometimes you want to learn about hardware wallets and how to run your own node and all that before even buying the Bitcoin. Because when you buy Bitcoin and you go through even if you go through a decentralized exchange or a centralized exchange, either way, if you don't have your own wallet to send it to, then it'll just be stuck either somewhere hosted with a decentralized exchange within your own wallet on there, or on a centralized exchange, which you don't want neither of that to occur. You want to make sure to get your Bitcoin off of an exchange, no matter whether it's a DEX or a SEX or whatever you want to call it. I don't know if they're called that because I don't know if they're pronounced that way because centralized exchange for short is CEX, but when you say it out loud, obviously. But anyways, another thing is about sending Bitcoin to a hardware wallet. I'm going to be explaining that, and I'm going to be going over a lot of other things like how to earn Bitcoin for free, and that won't be from interest. Obviously, you do not want to earn interest on your Bitcoin because if you're earning yield, you are the yield. And I'll be explaining all of this in future videos within the series. And I'll just be going over tactics on how you can go about buying your Bitcoin. If you're wondering how much should you buy or how little should you buy, I'll be going over, DCA, dollar cost averaging, and explaining what that is and how that works and why it's pretty much the best method to go about, and a lot of other things. But I'm not a financial advisor. It's not financial advice, but I'm going to be giving just my thoughts and opinions on basically going from zero to knowledgeable Bitcoin maximalist. And yeah, so that's about it. I will be making this series in the next month or so, hopefully, and I'm going to try and make the videos as simple as possible. There's some tutorials out there that are like an hour long. I want to keep my videos shorter, so hopefully I can keep them under 30 minutes. I mean, even max 10 minutes would be great. And just do different parts on different aspects. Like, I don't want to have one whole video be an hour long talking about one single subject. But if that has to be the case, then I'll do that. But I want to try to keep it shorter, just for other people who want to learn in shorter segments like that. And so, yeah, I will see you all in my next video. And that's about it. So, yeah, see you then.